Hey guys, Benny from Projecta here again, and today we're following through on a fan request. We've had a message come through from Morgan on Facebook. They want to know a little bit more about our 25 amp DC-DC lithium chargers. Well Morgan, here you go. This is an insight into our IDC25L. If you want your questions answered just like Morgan, make sure you subscribe and join our Switched On Tech Talk page. Now first off, the IDC25L has got heaps of the same great features as our other 25 amp DC-DC charger. It's got dual charging modes, dual input operation from alternator and solar, the same safeguards, still sealed to IP67, plus it also acts as an advanced solar controller. But let's say goodbye to this guy, because this is all about the IDC25L. This fella is purpose built for your newer lithium technology batteries. But in a pinch, it will also do an AGM. The tech heads here at Projecta have worked hand in hand with a lithium cell manufacturer to ensure that this thing is up to the task when it comes to lithium battery charging. Now there's a few special ways it's been designed to ensure this happens, such as 14.5 volt bulk charging for maximum charge and 13.5 volt float charging to match the static voltage of most lithium batteries. A power supply mode to wake up a sleeping lithium iron phosphate battery, or to wake up the battery management system if it's in sleep mode or there's an under voltage issue. Temperature protection to look after your lithium battery, because extreme temperatures and lithium batteries do not mix. Let's break that down quickly. If your battery is at below 0 temperatures, the IDC25L will provide minimum charge until it warms up, because lithium batteries do not like to be charged from frozen. And at the other end of the thermometer, battery temperatures above 45 degrees Celsius and the unit will go into float charge to protect the battery but still provide power to your devices. Another feature it shares with the other members of the IDC family is multi-stage charging. Those are a 3-stage charger, but because of the different requirements of lithium batteries, this is a 5-stage charger. These 2 extra stages, called soft start, gradually increase charge current. If you've got an extremely flat lithium battery, say less than 10 volts, then soft start charging is essential. This is also a timed process, as this is the most dangerous stage for the battery. So, as you've just learnt, the IDC25L has been engineered with a lot of lithium specific smarts to ensure you get the job done efficiently and you get it done safely. Thanks for the video request, Morgan, and hopefully that's helped you and anyone else who wanted to learn a little bit more about Projecta's 25 amp lithium DC-DC charger. Thanks for watching guys. Check out the links in the description below to find out more about Projecta and the awesome gear we make. Now if you learned something from this video, give it a like. And if there's any questions you want answered, just put them in the comments below. For more videos like this, make sure you subscribe and come and say good day in the Projecta Switched On Tech Talk group. I'll see you next time guys.